In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Figma to Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to your settings so you can access the tools needed for this connection. From there, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This is where you can add services and tools that work with your Shopify store. Next, open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Instant Page Builder. In some cases, you may also use Foxify, since that is another option mentioned for this setup. When you find the app, click Install to begin adding it to your store. Shopify will then show you a permissions screen. Take a moment to review what the app is asking to access so you understand how it will work with your store. When you are ready, click Install App to confirm. After the app is installed, the Shopify side of the setup is mostly complete. The reason this app matters is because it helps bridge the design side of your workflow with your storefront, making it easier to bring visuals and layouts from Figma into a Shopify-friendly environment. Now switch over to Figma and open your account. Make sure you are signed in to the correct workspace where your design files are stored. This is important because you want to confirm that you are working from the right place before checking the connection. Once you are inside Figma, look to see whether your Shopify store is already connected. This is the final thing you need to verify in this process. If the store is connected, you are ready to move forward with designing and preparing content for your Shopify storefront. If it is not showing as connected yet, go back and double-check that the app was installed properly in Shopify and that you approved the permissions during setup. As a general tip, it helps to keep both Shopify and Figma open in separate tabs while doing this. That makes it easier to move between the two platforms and confirm each part of the setup without losing your place. It is also a good idea to wait a few moments after installing the app, since some connections can take a short time to appear. Once you have confirmed that your store is connected, you have successfully completed the setup. That covers everything you need to know.